Hi, my name is Alex with STEMfinity. We're here doing another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing Snap Circuit's Flying Saucer Kit. This particular kit has about 4 projects. We have other kits that range to about 85 projects. So without further ado, we'll get to unboxing. Here's the pieces that come in the Flying Saucer Kit. You'll start by connecting the battery holder and the 3 snap wire to the base grid. Next, you'll connect the 3 snap wire and the battery holder using the motor fan and the press switch. Put the flying saucer on the motor. Press and release the switch to let the saucer fly. That was the flying saucer. If you want to see more, check out our website at stemfinity.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and thank you for watching.